there, Aditya Kamath here. Welcome to your channel Adi Advik Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about screw gauge. What do you mean by screw gauge? We are going to discuss it today. You also have some activities to do. You have to guess the right measurement. You will learn all about it in this video. That's why watch till the end of this video. Now let's dig into it. Hey guys, welcome to my laptop screen. As you can see, I have a simulator and a magnify zoom in and zoom out. Here I have the reading, which is now 4.57. Let me set it to 0. Yeah, it's done. Here I have some screws to measure. We will measure it later. Before that, let's learn about the functions, the model, and many things. Let's start now. You can see this goes round and round like a merry-go-round. This is called the circular scale. This is called the main scale. And here we keep the object to measure. In real we do it manually. But this is a simulator, that's why I'm using a scroller here to do it. This is the circular scale which helps in measuring accurately up to 0.01 millimeter. And this is the main scale which measures like a normal scale, which is only up to 1 millimeter. This is the gap used as I said you before. Now let's start. Here let's set it to 0. What is the meaning of zero error here? This doesn't have any zero error, but zero error is a case where this circular scale 0 is behind this 0 right here in the main scale. That is the negative zero error. When it is like this side and the 0 is here, then this is called the positive zero error. Here you should subtract in this case to get the correct reading, and in this case, in the negative zero error case, you should add that so that you get the correct reading there. Now let's measure. Here I have this measurement. Here in the main scale it is 13. That's why you take 13 here, as you can see in the reading. It didn't cross halfway, right? That's why they didn't take 0.5. Only it is 0.0. It is in the 37 mark. See here. 35, 36, 37. That's why 0.37. When you add it up, you get 13.37. Very simple. Let's take another example here. Now it is halfway past. The main scale reading says 7. Here also it has crossed halfway, 7.5. As you can see, 7 and 0.5. Here the reading is 10, 11. 7 plus 0.5 plus 0.11, which is 7.61. Why do we take here 0.11, not 11? Because here they have written 0.01 millimeter is the least count. Least count is the smallest number the circular scale can measure. Then that means you should multiply 0.01 millimeter into this 11, into the circular scale reading. Simple, right? Now let's do something interesting. You should guess the answer. I will zoom in, but I will hide the answer, and the answer is hidden now. Boom! Now I will set some measurement. This blue and pink and this red too will help you to find. Now let me zoom in and show you. Now, can you guess the answer? Your time is running. I will give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop right there. Your time is over. Did you guess the answer? I hope so. Here you have crossed 5, you have crossed 0.5. That's why it will be 5.5 of course. You should take the circular scale reading which is 48 and you multiply it by 0.01 which is 0.48. When you add all of this, you get 5.98. Whoa, that is very close to 6, right? But now let's try another one. Here we have another reading. Now I'll zoom in and you guess the right answer. Your time is running. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, your time is up. Now let me reveal the answer. As you can see, the answer is 20.01. How did we get this? Here it has crossed 20 but didn't cross 0.5. That's why the reading of main scale is 20. Here it has crossed only 1 from the 0 mark. That's why you will get 1 there. And you multiply it with the least count, the smallest number, which is 0.01 into 1 is 0.01. That's why you get 20.01. So simple, right? This is almost like 1 year caliper. The only difference is here we use a screw. There we use sliding jaws. Both are used for accurate measurement. Here you have circular scale, there it is vernier scale. There are differences. Hope you enjoyed the video and understood. Now let's go back to the studio. That's it guys. Now let's revise the topics which we have learned. Screw gauge is an instrument that is used to measure length and it consists of 2 parts. The main scale and the circular scale. And that too it measures length accurately till 0.01 millimeter, or it is also called the micrometer. It measures up to 1 micrometer. That's why it is called micrometer. They are accurate up to 2 decimal places. Like in 1 year calipers, they have circular scale and main scale. You should rotate the circular scale. You should read the reading in the main scale and the circular scale. We have learnt a lot today. In my next video, we are going to talk about the pendulum. Simple pendulum. Like, share and subscribe this video. Like this video so that we can know that you like the video. Subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out any videos like this. You can learn more about many things like in topics of physics, maths, biology and chemistry, which is in short maths and science. You share this video so that your friends can know more about screw gauge. You have learnt more, let your friends know more. That's it. Bye for now. See you later.